There's no doubt about it. Autumn has officially made its grand entrance, and this time it feels colder than ever. As the days grow shorter and the temperatures drop, adapting your wardrobe to suit the season's whims becomes crucial. But how do you strike the perfect balance between warmth and style, especially if you have an upcoming celebration or a romantic dinner? Luckily for you, Emily Blunt has just served up a striking solution that combines practicality with flair, ideal for these chilly days. Recently, while gracing the black carpet for the UK premiere of her latest film, The Smashing Machine, the award-winning actress showcased her remarkable sense of autumn fashion. Dressed in a stunning backless mini dress made of rich chocolate brown silk, Emily perfectly embodied the spirit of the season. The dress featured a sophisticated high neck and elegant long sleeves, complemented by a beautiful flowing train that added a touch of drama. But that's not all. Emily made a bold statement by pairing her ensemble with sheer red polka dot tights, a choice that not only highlighted her style, but also demonstrated how to transition your outfit seamlessly for fall. This unexpected twist lifts her look to a whole new level, proving that even in cooler weather, you can still radiate warmth and charm. To ensure that her outfit remained the focal point of attention, the talented actress opted for a sleek, middle-parted ballerina bun, which kept her brunette hair neatly secured, an essential style when gusty winds threaten to ruin a perfect look. When it comes to her makeup, Emily went for a fresh and natural appearance, featuring a luminous complexion and well-defined contours. Her striking blue eyes were beautifully accentuated with a soft brown shimmer and a generous coat of mascara, enhancing her features without overpowering her overall style. In terms of accessories, Emily maintained a minimalist approach, choosing a pair of simple yet chic strappy high heels along with understated gold hoop earrings. This thoughtful selection allowed her captivating outfit to shine without distraction. As we look forward to hosiery trends for 2025, it seems that Emily Blunt is at the forefront of a colorful and playful approach. Her choice of patterned tights suggests that incorporating fun elements into your wardrobe is not only possible, but also immensely stylish. However, if you lean towards a more classic aesthetic, classic black tights remain a timeless staple. Just look at style icons like Hailey Bieber and Chung for inspiration. So, what do you think? Are bold patterns the way to go this season, or do you prefer to stick to the classics? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember, your wardrobe can still be stylish while adapting to the autumn chill. It's all about striking the right balance.